Hi, my name is Hunter Rollins. If you've never heard of me before, I am a automotive YouTuber. Some would argue with that because I have no idea what I'm talking about. I own a 2017 Focus ST, not this one. I also own a 1991 Mazda Miata. Today, what we're doing here in the garage is we have my friend DJ, who is out of the frame here. We have his 2017 Focus ST1 that we will be installing this little thing. Now this is a Turbosmart 50/50 blow-off valve. Now what we're going to be doing with that is pulling the factory bypass valve out and replacing it with this. And that's what gives you the sound that a lot of turbo guys have. Now, this is going to be one of probably a two-part video that we're going to be doing with this car and with DJ. He has this Turbosmart blow-off valve that we're going to be installing today, and then in a separate video we were going to be installing a Tsudo catback exhaust. If you're not familiar with that, that is currently one of the cheapest exhaust systems for the Focus ST out right now. He paid $350 for it. So if you're not looking to pay $600 like I did for my Roush, this is another option, and it doesn't sound too bad from what I've heard so far. So keep a lookout for that video coming in the future, and let's go ahead and kick off the blow-off valve install. Alright, now it's going to be kind of difficult to show you, and it's going to be kind of difficult to film this whole thing just because of the awkward angle that the blow-off valve is in. This is your factory bypass valve on the Focus ST. And this little silver bracket right here, that's the bracket that holds it on. It's very simple. All we have to do is pull off this vacuum line, remove those 3 Allen screws, and then pull this whole bracket off, and the factory bypass valve will come out. And then we can put in the Turbosmart, put that bracket back on, hook the vacuum line hose back up, and then we're done. So to start off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using an Allen wrench in order to pull those 3 Allen screws out. I'm not sure what size Allen this is because it has no label on it. So what I'll do is I'll find out what this size is after I make the video, and then I will put it on the screen. That way you know what you need to use. We got the first 2 Allen screws out, that's what they look like. Now we're on to the last one, then we can pull the bracket off, pull the factory bypass valve out, and then we can put in our new blow-off valve. I went ahead and removed this clip. It was plugged in right here. I just removed it so that I could get this cord or these wires out of my way so that I can remove this top screw in order to pull it out. As you can see right there, we just got the blow-off valve out, so it's just that bracket hanging there. We got all 3 of these Allen screws out, so now all we have to do is put our new Turbosmart blow-off valve in. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the blow-off valve on this 2017 Focus ST. The install went pretty smoothly, not a whole lot of issues other than just trying to get your hand in that small of a space. So we're going to go ahead and let you hear how it sounds. So there you have it. There is a Turbosmart blow-off valve install on a 2017 Focus ST. That goes for the 2013 all the way up to the 2018 Focus ST. It's not year specific. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those down below, or if you have any other comments. If you want to see more installs, or if you want to see more things that we do to my Focus ST, my friend's Focus STs, or the Mazda Miata, please feel free to join and come along with us on the ride. Other than that, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.